was
Okay,
lucky.
we're going into a 2007 Winnebago tour. What was it? FD? FD.
Sangria.
Sangria. With 25,000 miles. Diesel motor, Cat 350. Generator, Onan, 8,000. Freightliner chassis. Automatic everything as you go in.
The nitrogen's in the tires with the self-adjusting.
Nitrogen in the tires.
The back, they self-adjust between the tires.
Self-adjust. Corian countertops for the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. This is cherry wood, isn't it?
Cherry, yeah.
Cherry wood. Flat screen TV, HD. Leather interior.
I have the brochure.
Leveling jacks.
There it is. This shows you everything in here. Okay, two of them.
Nice roof. The roof looks, I like this
See, this shows you.
padded stuff.
These pictures are really good pictures.
Okay.
So, you know, from all these, because it tells you everything about it, too. The floor
Okay.
plans,
Leather's in
coloring.
perfect shape.
It's concert cherry, sangria color.
Concert cherry.
Outside is firethorn.
Outside is called Firethorn. And this comes out into a bed.
Oh, I can show you now. And I moved the chairs out because I was going to close the thing. Let me move the chairs back in. The table out to show you.
Okay, table comes out all the way. Oh, it's power too. Wow.
I forgot the bottom part.
Because I'm going to be going back into the video to see how to do it. Because I won't remember. Cool. Okay. So that's your second bed, and then you got another bed back there.
Sheets fit on there perfectly.
Okay. All right.
And the seatbelts are underneath. You want people to
Okay.
be sitting in here when you're driving.
Gotcha.
You have to squeeze this to close it.
Okay. Gotcha. All right. I can figure that out.
Okay, this has a handle under here. Pulls this
Okay.
off, and it locks. And you squeeze it.
And
You can put it in different positions. It'll lock right
Oh,
in.
really? Okay. Nice. Okay.
Okay. The stove opens like this.
Okay. I can figure that out.
Microwave's a microwave.
Gotcha.
The sinks are also Korean.
Okay.
They're all molded together.
Surround sound. I guess these little guys are.
Yeah, surround sound, and that's
Okay.
the base. Ice maker.
Ice maker.
Other than that, it's a standard four-door.
Okay.
This is nice for all the big flat stuff.
And this is, what is it, vented? What do they call
I'll
it?
have the heat on.
Okay.
That's the
Heater works in this too.
well, that's the heat for on the heat pump. Also,
Okay.
there's this heat. There's two heats. This is an extra. This one works on the gas, and it comes out of the floor vents.
Okay.
So if you're really, really
Oh,
cold,
so you got heat up top and down below.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah,
All right.
okay. Let's see.
And then that's your bathroom. Hopefully the video comes out in the, there's your toilet.
The mattress is memory foam.
Memory foam, okay.
If you're looking for electric circuits when they talk about it, that's in this box here.
Okay.
This must be
Ceiling fan, even in the
yeah.
nice, in the master. And the memory foam is an add, right? Like an addition?
The memory foam?
Yeah, is an addition.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. Just noticed that for a second. It looks like hand lotion or something.
That's all right. And then you got a closet and the other two chairs right in there. Looks dark, but hopefully you can see it. And cabinets. A lot of storage in this thing too. Okay. How do I turn lights on? Oh, they got to be a button.
That's a button here. This one goes here.
Okay, over there.
And then it has
Cool.
a phone jack all over the place. The central phone jacks and
And to do the TVs, it's got to be on shore power, or will it work on the generator?
works on the generator.
It works on
Except I
generator.
don't have it hooked up. I mean, I can turn it on, but it's not.
Oh,
going to
there's no satellite.
screen.
Satellite's not going to be right. Okay. All right, that's pretty much the inside. Hopefully the light is good enough so we can see.